So this particular video is only going to pertain to people with 3D models on being able to have a lot of them, but a little bit of this can also pertain to live 2D. So this is my current model that I use for YouTube only. I do different designs based on which platform I am using, but at the same time, as I was evolving my design, as you can see, I made it a little bit more to show that my theme is I'm a nano cyborg VTuber. I do have 3 different model designs with this outfit specifically and a change of the hair. You want to make sure that your designs are all focused on the upper torso because a large quantity of your time is going to be spent in this design, if not mode. I was not particular, because I did do a 3D model, I had a bit more leeway with being creative with my outfits, as you can see here. These were all my first models. I did it based on hair. My hair designs was constantly in a design set. I made it where I could easily change out my monochromatic eye and have one eye that never changed and the other one did, and it was a running joke that one of them was a broken monitor piece. But I did do it to where my hair either turned black or it turned white. I kept those specific colors, and I did keep my skin tone from changing. I just added a little bit. I did have a predominantly green to blue ratio that I kept as well. Now I keep to a green, blue, and purple ratio with black and white being an offset. This is something that is more regularly seen in my newer models, as you can see here, where I do not really change as much as I did in the past. The hairstyles kind of stayed the same, but the color scheme got a little different. I did tend to stay more to the black and white neutral colors because it was easier, and I did like the aesthetics for that because of the fact that this is it was just my kind of aesthetics. I'm a gothic design, I like showing off other people's designs and clothes. This also makes it a little easier for, like, say that you want to do special events, like say this design here with the red and black and the red and black. If I pulled up that model, the eye actually is a red heart in a pink background because that was for Valentine's Day. That model was specifically made for Valentine's Day. This one in the back with the orange, that is actually a pumpkin shirt jacket that she's wearing, and that's orange for Halloween. This one in the yellow design is for a Mortal Kombat event that I was doing, and I wanted to make it look more like I was joining in on the street fighting. Over here on the side, this bunny suit was for Easter. And then this black one with the green stripes, black, and then the shorts and the stripes and everything right here, next to the swimsuit, was for Christmas. So was the other one that is a Christmas, kind of a more covered up Christmas design right behind them. The leather clad one was a design I picked because I made a deal with my stream. If they got me to a certain amount, I would do a swimsuit model, and if they got it to me before a certain time period, I would do an extra one. This is a benefit for 3D model people because of the fact that you can add so many outfits. You can go and buy them. You can pay a certain person to design one for you, and then you can just put it on yourself. If you make your own model, this does work in great aspects. No, I didn't do this to just show off all my models because I have way too many, and if I was doing a showcase, you would have like hours of video. I have way too many. I've made too many because my original concept was I wanted the reason I chose a nano cyborg was the ability and freedom to kind of do shapeshifter stuff, but still keep to a certain design concept. I've had a few viewers like, why don't you just rebrand as a shapeshifter? Because I only change such minimum things. It is these things that a nano cyborg could change. I don't do like a full body change out. This is unfortunately something you can't do as a live 2D owner because rigging is expensive. Artwork is expensive. I can literally get a custom costume made by a certain someone for like $20. Or I can go buy a custom designed outfit from Booth or somewhere for a relatively cheap. Or I can even choose one from the Vroid Studio program itself and put my model in it. This makes for an easier set, and it's a bit of a cheaper programming side. So, if anyone has any questions about this, or I wasn't very clear with something, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy to get back to you. See you guys next time.